Hi, my name is Hannah Saloio. I am the exhibits developer here at the International Spy Museum, and today we are installing our brand new Virginia Hall exhibit. If you've never heard of Virginia Hall is an American woman who served during World War II as a spy for both the British and the American. She was extremely courageous, took risk after risk, was almost caught by the Nazis several times. She was wanted and known as the lady who limps. She's known as that because one of the unique features of Virginia Hall is that she had a prosthetic leg from the knee down. She was in a hunting accident and shot her foot off, which resulted in a prosthetic that she lovingly referred to as Cuthbert. We have a lot of new artifacts that have never seen the light of day before that we're putting on display that we've pulled from our vault, as well as some lovely lenders, including working with her direct family. One of the most important artifacts we're putting on display, we have two that I like to point out. One is a uniform she wore. The first thing she did in World War II was volunteer her services to be an ambulance driver for the French Army, and we have the uniform jacket, hat, and belt she wore during that time. We also have the radio she used when she was OSS, the precursor to the American CIA, when she was a radio operator in France for the resistance. You know, I'll be perfectly honest, the hardest thing about this exhibit was cutting it down. She has a million stories we wanted to tell. We just couldn't tell them all. We're excited to have you come and see this exhibit. The official launch date of this will be December 6th. I know it looks like a lot's done, but we still have some more things to put together for it, so can't wait to see you here.